What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful day here in Mississauga, Ontario. Today we have a nice little simple install on the Mugen EL. As you see, I'm rocking Garage 16's new hat. Guys, check it out. I think they're $39, and he's got a promotional sale going on K-Tune products. Gotta love when the vacuum comes on. So he's got a promotional sale, 10% off on Vibrant, K-Tune, Wick Fab, and I forgot the other brand. I'll post the image on the screen somewhere. And it's 10% off. Just use the promo code Canada8 and he'll take care of you. But today's install, we're going to be getting rid of the new speed strut bar. I'm going to be sending it out to FIA to get them to repower coat it, because it is a little bit old, and as you guys can see, it's starting to rust over there. But we are replacing it with dcsports strut bar. Alright guys, as I was saying, we're going to be rocking the dcsports strut bar. It's for the RSX and EP3, also EM2 and ES1 chassis. I think it's going to look a lot nicer. So we're going to get that all together. We got Kevy G chilling out with us today, sitting back on his ice cap. So, little install just to get it going. Jeez, this damn lighting. A little install for the weekend. Also, if you guys have known, on the ES1 I changed the roof visor. Went with this one. Looks a lot nicer, in my opinion. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so on both sides I took out the bolts that were here. Both sides, don't mind the freezy, it's really hot out and it's delicious. And I took these two as well. They are slightly smaller because the socket's got to fit inside the holes over here. So it's not the original size, I believe 17. So just so you guys know, you guys got to reduce the smaller size. I used a, let's see, what socket was this? A 9/16 socket. So that's the nut that you're gonna have to use for that. Alright guys, so we got all the nuts out. Use one other strut stud than the others. So you gotta line it up like so. Kev's gonna be a gentleman and give me a nice quick hand.
No, don't force it.
I force everything. Unless sometimes, like this is like my spoon strut bar. What you guys do is you dismantle this piece over here.
You could put MPC bolts on.
You could. And now alright everyone, so this strut bar kicked our ass. As all aftermarket parts, they never fit 100%. Big ups to Kevy G for the help.
What a pain.
What a pain. But it looks beautiful. Very nice. But I want you guys to stay tuned to the new speed strut bar. I'm going to send it to FIA to repower coat it the same black. And Caleb, you think we should do a giveaway? Yeah? Should help a guy or a girl with a 7th gen or an RSX or EP3? Yeah? My man.
Oh, your subscribers, they're gonna do it. Have patience and a second person.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard Kevin, but Kevin said if you guys are gonna do that dcsports strut bar on a 7th gen, have a second person, have a lot of patience. It literally kicked our ass.
Shouldn't have.
But like all aftermarket parts, that's what it does. On the plus side, little red, we got a nice little tan over here. Also picked up my insane intermediate shaft, rated for 500 horsepower. Let me open it up for you guys. There we go. Thank you, Kev. So look at this beauty. So this should definitely help the spooniest one from breaking it. So big ups. Thank you, Garage 16.
It's all sealed.
Yeah, I didn't open it up, I just checked it out. But thank you, Garage 16. And
nice
thank you, Insane
sticker.
Shafts. You guys make great shafts.
Oh, it's already peeling, so it's not gonna stick.
That's okay. Put it on. Let's do it on the quarter panel. Long ways. But yeah, that's how.
Right there, machine shaft.
That's how the strut bar came out, guys. It kicked our ass. So, yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. Nothing major, nothing big. Just wanted to change up the strut bar, and
Should technically be maybe not even half an hour process.
Yeah, it just it's a pain in the ass. And then once you get a scuff on it, you know you can't go back.
Yeah,
So,
it's a little scratchy.
So we got a little scuffed up on where two of the nuts go, but it's okay. We got it to work as always. And guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna announce that giveaway as soon as that strut bar is done. Put a nice new Speed logo on it, be like brand new, and I'm gonna give it away to you guys. So guys, stay tuned. As always, guys, like the video, comment, subscribe. Really helps out with the channel. Thank you guys for the support, and we'll be back with some more content next week from me and
Perfect.
yeah, from me and Kevin G. Peace out. Send it. Peace.